Jai Sriman He was longing for you and he was unable to bear that separation and he left the body, Rama. Oh Rama, Tvam Samsmaran. He was continuously, constantly thinking about you and finally, Astamita Pitate. Our father left the body, Rama. Like this, Bharata is conveying a message of Father Dasaratha Maharaja's departure to Sri Ramachandra Swami. When Bharata conveyed a message of Dasaratha Maharaja's death to Ramachandra Swami, soon after listening to that, Ramachandra Swami Gatachetasaha, he got fainted. Tadha bhuvi papataha. Ramachandra Swami fell on the floor. All those who are around Ramachandra Swami started crying loudly and sprinkling some water on Ramachandra Swami. Rama again came back to conscious, slowly opening his eyes. Netrabhyam Asram Utsrujan. There are tears started rolling down from his eyes and rolling down through the cheeks. Such beautiful Pundarika Visalakshaha, wide lotus-like eyed, slowly sending so many tears. That kind of scene is paining so many people around Rama. That grief is unimaginable. Ramachandra Swami is loudly crying and saying to Bharata that, "Oh Bharata, what can I do now? Who is there to me now? Not only to me, there is no such great caretaker to the entire Ayodhya now. Father is left. It is all just emptied. It is all big vacuum, not only to me but also to the Ayodhya. Bharata, when I left my father, and for me craving and craving and crying and crying, my father left this earth. Oh Bharata, I am not even fortunate enough to see in the last minute my father. Oh Bharata, I am not enough fortunate to do final rites to my father. Bharata, how unfortunate I am. Oh Bharata, whenever my father used to say few works, for every work I always said, yes, I shall do as you say, I shall do as you say. Whenever I say that to my father Dasaratha Maharaju used to feel so happy for me to responding him all the time like that. Oh Bharata, our father used to take me very close and hug me for every of those kind of happy moments and tells me so many great things. Oh Bharata, now who is there for me to give me orders? Now who is there for me to have some works ordered from my, from father is left. Oh Bharata, now I have no one in Ayodhya. Even after my Vanavasam is completed, I do not wish to get back to Ayodhya because my father Dasaratha Maharaju is not there. Like that, Ramachandra Swami crying a lot and then slowly comes to Sitamma and says that, "Oh Sita, the one who used to always show so much love and affection on you, such great Maharaj, Dasaratha Maharaj is not there now. Your father-in-law is not there now. Like that, when Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami crying, Sitamma was unable to see Rama's grief. Not only that Sitamma, but no one around Rama was unable to see Rama's grief, and everyone is crying, and along with that they are also trying to console Ramachandra Swami. Asvasya Raghavam, everybody coming to Raghava, Ramachandra Swami, and pacifying, consoling him. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.